Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is Erico Refrigeration 254. Today we have a microwave here, which the door was not opening properly. Can you see the microwave? We have a very big microwave here. The door was not opening properly. It was not opening and not closing properly. You see it's now working okay. We have fixed it. The door latch was broken. This is the face. This is the face. This is the face. This is the motherboard. You see the motherboard. This is the face for the motherboard. The face. We call the panel. See the panel. We also have this one. You also have the outer face. You see the outer face. This one is magnetron. In every microwave, there's this thing called magnetron. So the work of the magnetron is to generate waves, and that wave is what converts it, what creates heating. See this magnetron. Then they have high voltage transform. Yeah, we have the magnetron. See this on the magnetron, the heating element. It's what they generate heating, whereby when you place your food inside, here, there's also a plate. So a plate here. Then after the plate, we also have this fan. The work of this fan is to cool down the high voltage transformer, and also to spread the heat after it has been generated by magnetron. They have the transformer, this transformer here. The motor. The motor will circulate the heat inside the magnetron, the microwave. Also, this microwave, it has got grill. You see the element here. There are two elements for the grill. Also, besides the door, we have the door latch. These are the door latches. So when you open the door, the microwave will stop automatically. When you close it, the microwave will close. So the problem we had with this microwave is that this door latch here, you see this? The door latch was broken. So the door could not open properly. The door could not close properly. You see how you see the mechanism? You see the mechanism there? See the mechanism? You see how it is? It could not do that because the door latch was broken. So what I've done, I've fixed the door latch, and now the door can close properly. Because when the door is not closing properly, even when you switch on the start button, it won't start, because the door latch is not properly. Also, we have the capacitor. This our capacitor here, it stores a lot of power. It stores more than 2,100 volts. This transformer you have seen here, it's very small, but it stores a lot of power. So this is how microwave works. when you start on the microwave, we have a high voltage transformer here. So this high voltage transformer, it will receive power, the normal voltage of 240 volts. Then it will generate this power. It will generate that power to 2100 volts, which will be stored at the capacitor. So when you put the microwave on, that power which already stored in the capacitor will be used to energize this magnetron. This magnetron has got some magnets inside. So when the magnetron receives power from the capacitor through this terminal, it will generate waves, and those waves is what heats whatever you are placed inside. Whatever food you are placed here will be heated up by waves, which is generated on the magnetron. You see, it is high voltage. It works with the high voltage. As I told you earlier that this high voltage transformer generate waves, they generate volts from 240 to 2100 volts, which is stored here. Then when you put the microwave on, the voltage which is stored here, 2100 volts, will be received by the magnetron. You see how they are connected? You see there, this terminal to this terminal. You see how this terminal. Then at the capacitor, we have this high voltage diode. So this high voltage diode is used as a polarity. It's used as a polarity when it helps the capacitor to discharge. It helps the capacitor to discharge power, to adjust the voltage to the magnetron. So that is the work of the. You see, it is connected. You see, there is connected with the ground. So the work of this is for polarity. So polarity just help capacitor to discharge. Is to discharge power to this level, to the magnetron. So this magnetron is what generates waves, and that waves is what heats whatever you are placed inside. So here we see we have the thermostat also in this place, and this thermostat is connected with the grill element. You see this terminal here. You see one of the terminal is connected with the capacity with the thermostat. You see, they have two thermostats. We have this one for the grill element. Also, there is another thermostat here which is connected with on the magnetron. So this thermostat, it helps when this magnetron is overheated. It will stop. It will cut off the power. See, when the magnetron is overheated, it's not supposed to be overheated. That's why sometimes when you are using microwave and you place a lot of you set the timer for many hours. Let's say you set the timer for about 10 minutes. timing for 10 minutes. Automatically this magnetron will come hot. And when it is hot, what will prevent it from getting damaged is the thermometer. This thermometer will protect it from getting damaged, especially when you select the timer to let's say 10 minutes, 7 minutes to 10 minutes. So those are all the things I can show you. So even the down here, if you check the down here, we have the rotatia, the motor that rotates the plate. It is just down here. When you open down, you will get a rotatia, just a small motor. That is when you put a microwave on, you can see through the glass how the plate is rotating. It's rotating like this. So there's a small motor down here. We call it turntable motor, T motor or turntable motor. Also another thing, we also have the bulb. We also have the bulb at this point. At this point of this bulb. The bulb will only light when the microwave is on. When you put microwave on, the bulb will come on automatically. So those are the things we can learn from this microwave. These are very, very big microwave. This is about 35 liters microwave. It's very, very big. About 35 liters. This is a model for the microwave. This is a model, you see, it's Ariston. It's an Ariston microwave. It's a very, very big microwave. It's a very, very big microwave. So these are what we make. So already we have finished fixing it. Now I will assemble it back. I'll put the cover back. Then we'll test it and see whether it is working properly. At first, the door was not closing properly. See this door here? The door was not closing properly. But now you see our door can now close properly. It can now close. So for those who are watching, my channel is called Eriko Refrigeration 254. We deal with the repair of all electrical items, all electrical equipments. We deal with the repair of magnetron, microwave like this one. We deal with the repair of oven. This is oven for baking. We deal with fridges. We deal with all electrical items. We also repair washing machines, dishwashers. We also install aircon. So for those who are watching this channel, please subscribe, comment, share and like. My channel is called Eriko Refrigeration 254. Please comment, like and share my channel. Also remember to subscribe to my channel so that my channel can reach so many people. Thank you so much. My contact is plus 254 721 598925. I repeat again, for those who want to contact me through WhatsApp, my contact is plus 254 721 598925. We are based in Nairobi, capital city of Kenya. We work at customers' doorstep. For those who have faulty electronics, faulty items like microwave, washing machine, fridges, dishwashers, gas cookers, they can contact us through plus 254 721 598925. Please like my comment below. If you have any problem concerning your item, you can comment below and let us know where you are staying so that we can come and help you fix your item. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. It's called Erico Refrigeration 254. Thank you so much. I'll stop the video at this point. May God bless you. Those who have subscribed, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. May God bless you. Goodbye.